Imagine this, a platform so flexible it redefines customization. That's Studio J, built on a stateless data architecture using only JSON files, no bulky databases. Our tools are infinitely regenerative. Build a portfolio from a table, export to HTML, and later resubmit that page to instantly restore editable data. Nothing's saved permanently, yet everything's reusable. But the real magic? Our module installer. With clear guides, feed Claude.ai your idea, say a custom staff calendar with specific features. Get a zip file, drop it in, and poof. It auto-creates interfaces, dashboard links, and integrates seamlessly. With 3 secure user roles, admins control access and visibility. You own a unique Studio J version, hosted on your terms. Infinite possibilities, 0 limits. Studio J, where your vision becomes reality in seconds.